Today, we're going to play a color game with Big Bird. Do you think you can guess all of the objects? Let's read. Would you like to play a game with me? I am thinking of something red. It is something to wear. Can you guess what I am thinking of? Did you guess? I was thinking of red rubber boots. Now I am thinking of something blue. It is something good to eat. Can you guess what it is? Did you guess what I was thinking of? I was thinking of blueberries. Isn't this game fun? Now I am thinking of something green. It is something to draw with. Can you guess what I am thinking of? Did you guess what I was thinking of? You're right! It was a green crayon. I bet you can't guess what I'm thinking of now. It is something orange. I will give you a little hint. It is something good to drink. Did you guess orange juice? You're a very good guesser. Now I am thinking of something purple. It is something to sit on. Can you guess what it is? Did you guess a purple chair? That's right! You will never guess what I am thinking of now. It is something yellow. Do you want a little hint? You can play with it. Did you guess Big Bird? If you did, you're right! I hope you enjoyed playing that color game. And as always, until next time, happy reading.